Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Justin, I think today it was a lot warmer and sunnier than yesterday.
Yeah, no doubt.
Any chance of the second half of the week being similar?
Yeah, we're just going to keep riding right up, at least for the rest of the work week. Yeah, so that's the good news. Temp's going to get close to 60 these next 2 days. Weekend has a much different tune to it, so take advantage of the warmth while it's here if you got the opportunity. Now, 40 is the current temperature outside Spartan Stadium tonight. MSU campus there. It's a pretty nice night, all things considered, out there. We're very close to where we should be for this time of year. That's what our highs were at today, right around 45, 46 degrees around most of the region, and so that's something that we normally expect for mid-November. Now, temperatures are still hanging on near 40, a couple upper 30s in a few spots, St. John's and Mason, some of those. But again, we're seeing more warmth out to the west, and that is coming our way. The temperatures you see out in Des Moines, North Platte, those were the upper 50s, low 60s. Those will be here by tomorrow and for Friday. But then in the weekend, we'll get another little cold shot that comes through. Now, here's a look at the satellite and radar, which, again, has been very quiet for the most part. Do have some high clouds starting to filter back into the region as you see more cloudiness off towards the west. Now, our evening doesn't really see too much activity. We're right around the 40-degree mark. It goes back and forth for a time between partly and mostly cloudy, but it's not too much cloudiness out there for the most part. Overnight, it will become breezy, though. So 38's the low. And temperatures will hang right around 40 past midnight. That wind will start to pick up. It'll be out of the south-southwest anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour. Now, Future Track shows that here. There's not much happening. Just a few of those passing clouds here and there. Into the overnight, we'll see clearing by the time the morning gets around, and then that's when we'll start to see the winds really pick up later on in the afternoon. So you'll see the breezes out of the southwest or the south-southwest, and these streamlines here show that it does get gustier as we go towards the later parts of the day tomorrow. That helps get our temps back up, but continues to draw from that southwest flow into our Friday as well. So as you look here and we look at the temperatures that we'll see as we go throughout that time frame tonight, not too much variance. In fact, in the morning, we're still sitting in the low 40s, but then as the day goes on, we get into the late afternoon. Here, the temps getting well back up more than 10 degrees above normal, getting into the upper 50s. Could even see a few 60s dot the area tomorrow. Now, as we head into the overnight, we just don't plain cool off too much. We're still around 50 as we head into the later overnight period. So the winds are going to be the bigger story. They'll become gustier tonight. You see that by midnight. We're already up for 15 to 20 miles per hour, and into the morning, even stronger than that, closer to about 25 with occasional gusts over 30, and we'll carry that throughout the day. Not only Thursday, but some of those winds sticking around, making Friday a little bit breezy as well, though not quite as much in the wind department by then. But the Thursday planner, as a result, is going to look pretty good. We got mostly sunny skies, temps climbing back into the upper 50s. You can't ask for much more than that in mid-November, so we'll call 59 the high. Just a few clouds, and it'll be a little bit breezy at times, but it's a southwest breeze, so anytime that breeze starts to cut through, you just think that's the reason the temps are getting up a little bit warmer. Now, you'll see here that by Friday, we're still a little bit breezy. Temps getting close to the 60-degree mark in a lot of spots. As we hit the weekend, though, we go back the other direction. Late in the weekend, going to see some mixed precipitation, and then I think Sunday later in the day it turns to all rain. Past that, forecast looks mostly dry, but temperatures are going to be near normal, which by next week is in the low 40s. And so enjoy the warmth the next 2 days while it's here. Try to hold your hat with that wind.